Alexa, stop.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
Good morning, you guys, and happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be doing a day in my life. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. Today at 11 I have a eyebrow appointment, so I'm going to get my eyebrows fixed up because I haven't done that in a long time, so it's overdue. I have to like clean around the house today, especially my closet. I'll show you my closet later. It's just so bad. So today is kind of going to be a little bit of a spring cleaning day in my life type of video. Just got ready for the day. I did barely any makeup today. I'm wearing this t-shirt that's from Old Navy. It says "so on point" with the little cactus. It's so cute and it's so soft. And then this cardigan is my friend's, and honestly she's probably never getting it back. And then I'm just wearing some jeans and Cutmers. So I have to go pretty soon. They told me to get there early, so I'm gonna go. Like, can we just... So excited. Much too.
I call you too much. You never pick up, except when you wanna. And I can't get enough. Coming for you. I got all these daddy issues.
Eyebrows are done. They're a little bit red right now, but they look so good. For those of you who are wondering, I went to European Wax Center. I loved my experience. It was my first time going. They're super nice. So fast. It's only like 11:10 right now. Crazy. Now I'm gonna go to Target because there's a Target in the parking lot and I need to pick up some things. So let's go Target. Got back from Target. I wasn't in there very long. I picked up a new eyebrow pencil. Now that my eyebrows are done, I want to start filling them in again. Got some really cute, like, aren't these like not the cutest thing you've ever seen? File folders, just to put like important papers and stuff like that in. I'm going to head over to Walmart because I couldn't find a few things that I needed at Target. I am now home from Walmart. I just picked up one thing, just this file holder to put my files in. I'm going to make some lunch. I'm preheating the oven right now, and I'm going to make some chicken nuggets that I got from Trader Joe's with fries. They're super good. And I'm probably just going to hang out for a little bit before I start cleaning because I just really don't feel like it right now.
Hesitate, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, lay your hair down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.
Still got a lot to do, but it's looking so much better. I have a bunch of clothes in the laundry right now. My desk looks so much better. Very happy.
That's the same thing to me with a computer working.
I can't got my phone. As you guys just saw, I had dinner with my family and now I am home. Laundry really quickly and then I'm going to start doing homework. I am taking 2 online classes right now, an intro to sociology class and a career and like life planning class. That's super interesting and fun. But laundry first. Ignore my washer and dryer going off, but I'm about to start a second assignment. I just finished one. This is for my sociology class, and we have to read a chapter, and then there's going to be an exam on chapter 1 through 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take notes in this Word document right here, so when I can study it, I can just kind of like study an outline. That's the plan. Let me know if you guys have any like studying tips.
Hello you guys and happy Thursday. I'm gonna go ahead and continue vlogging today. I woke up about 20 minutes ago. I just dropped my dog off at the groomers and now I'm gonna pick myself up some Chick-fil-A breakfast. I always forget that they have breakfast, so I'm really excited. It's actually pretty good too. And I don't have a lot planned today, but I'm excited to take you guys along with me. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are having a good day today.
But my alarm didn't go off this morning. I would have woke up just fine, clearly, since I woke up at 7:59. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm like supposed to be somewhere and I like sleep past my
She said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
Just picked up Roxy from the groomers. You look so cute. Yes, you do.
I've got the migraine, and my pain will range from up, down, and sideways. Thank God it's Friday, cause Fridays will always be better than Sundays, cause Sundays are my suicide days. I don't know why they always seem so dismal. Thunderstorms, clouds, snow, and a slight drizzle.
Friday, I did not vlog as much as I would have liked to yesterday, so we're going to continue vlogging today. It's around 10 a.m. and I'm about to start getting ready for work. And then I'm going to see a play tonight with my family. I think we're seeing the Addams Family. And yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with me on my day. Happy Friday.
A little bit too much every time. I get a little bit too drunk, but I'm fine. I have a little bit too much, but this time, oh, I'll be giving it all up. For a little bit of you tonight.
Really nice, right? You think twice about your life, it probably happened tonight, right? Friday. I never fell in love. I saved those feelings for you. Taxi cabs and busy streets that never bring you back to me. I can't help but wish you took me with you.
8:30 now and I'm done with work. I'm going to do some homework at a coffee shop. I brought a change of clothes and my laptop with me, so let's do some homework. An hour, I finished one assignment and now I'm gonna go ahead and head home so I can get ready for the play. I want to like touch up my makeup and I want to change something a little bit. To show you a really quick outfit of the night. I just put my hair in a lower bun and then I'm wearing a denim jacket from Forever 21 and a romper from Target. We're gonna grab some dinner before we go to the play, which I'm so hungry. It's around 10 o'clock and I just got back from the play. It was so much fun. It was a really good production. And I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you would like more vlogs from me. Please let me know down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.